Welcome to the Abbotsford International Airshow by Marie Ron Rances. Did you know that Abbotsford International Airshow is a world-class aerial demonstrations of aircrafts? And it started in 1962 when the Abbotsford Flying Club held an airshow to promote flying from the Abbotsford Airport.
And today it's their 60th anniversary. You must include this in your bucket list of things to do because it's a wonderful experience.
I agree. Look at mine. Look at this.
Galing, tagal na siya.
I will post this one. Haba.
Yeah, that's
Yang po. This airplane is crashing. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Another aircraft performer is flying in the sky. Wow. He was so fast and I was not able to film it. This aircraft performer is so impressive. Look at the lights and the speed. Wow, it catches my attention. Another world-class show is the drone show.
And yes, it is performed by illuminated, synchronized, and choreographed groups of drones that arrange themselves into various aerial formations.
The last but not the least is the fireworks show.
And this is a 10-minute spectacular show and the best way to end this event. I like it.
I like it too. Thank you. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet,
Please subscribe
like.
and click the notification button for more videos.
Thank you and have a great day. Bye.